Hello everybody, this is the Wanderer and welcome to another day in the life of whatever. Anyway, I'm in my backyard right now and behind me is the barbecue grill. And let me switch the camera around here. Some of you may remember this grill from a previous video because my phone was hiding inside it. Anyway, this may be a possible future project here. Just taking off some of the rust and restaining, repainting it, and maybe sanding the wood and restaining that. But the reason I'm looking at the grill right now is because there's a surprise inside. So let's open it up and see what's in there. And whoa, there is an electric stovetop in there, and it's a perfect fit for that. So the reason that the stovetop is in there is because Mrs. Wanderer was using the grill as a stand, so it was kind of multitasking on the part of the grill here. And what happens is that sometimes the Mrs. Wanderer will fry chicken or fish or egg rolls inside the house, and even if we open up the doors and try to ventilate, there'll be some odors from the frying, and it'll linger inside the house for 2 or more days. So she decided, well, maybe she can fry outdoors, and that way we let the neighbors enjoy the aroma. So she did, and I think I've got some videos of her frying some fish and maybe some turon.
Frying turon.
Turon? In the back patio. Some of them are turning golden already. Anyway, that may also be another project. Maybe I'll go ahead and make a stand for the electric stovetop there. But in the meantime, this will do. So I just wanted to share an idea with you and let you know what we're doing. And thank you for watching.